Doug, aka The Real Link, and today we're going to be unboxing the Patriot Viper V770 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. As the box promotes, this keyboard utilizes Kali switches, which are supposedly about the same quietness as traditional Cherry MX Reds with superior life and durability. This is the first RGB keyboard I've looked at, so let's see if it holds up to the hype. Inside you'll see that we have the robust keyboard itself, an envelope containing a quick start guide and some badge stickers, the magnetic palm rest piece, and the key puller tool at the box's bottom. No replacement keycaps are provided. Once the keyboard is removed from its plastic bag, one can see it's a quality product built out of solid aluminum. It's about as heavy as my Corsair K60 Red and sufficiently weighty. The prop feet open parallel to the keyboard and provide a bit of a height boost. Of particular note of quality is the wonderful sleeved and braided power cable, which terminates to two USB headers for power and lighting and audio pass-through. Now for some close-ups of the lighting switches, media levers, and volume roll bar keys. A USB port is on the left of the keyboard for audio, and a 3.5mm jack is on the right should you wish to use these options. When placed on a desk, it's not going anywhere, and there's no discernible flex in the keyboard deck. I've never used Kali keys before, so let's see how they sound. Very clackety. They depress moderately without much tension and appear to bottom out abruptly, providing a tactile feel that's more direct than Cherry switches, but in my opinion, more prone to high APM hand fatigue. Now let's fire her up and see the various cool RGB lighting patterns. Illuminated scroll lock, number lock, and caps lock are a nice touch. Demonstrating the volume wheel. The palm rest not only glows, but it's magnetic. That's really cool. If it's toward the edge off your desk, it's not strong enough to stay on permanently, but it can hold itself attached at least. There are a variety of built-in lighting patterns, effects, and color choices, all without needing the software package to change keyboard options. I'll show that at the end of the video though, that you can see what additional options are controllable through software. Personally, I like the RGB full spectrum display, whereas the multicolor rain effect would drive me crazy personally, but to each their own. Next up is a typing and loudness test. I can objectively say that the Patriot keyboard is louder than Corsair's version, but not gratingly so. It's just a more distinct sound. Guys, and here we have a comparison of both keyboards lit, comparing the Viper to the Corsair Strafe Red Cherry MX K60. So for typing, the red for both boards can be somewhat tricky to get on camera properly. The Patriot's red appears here as deep and accurate, yet in reality has a very slight orange tint to it. Meanwhile, the Corsair red is quite blown out in the camera footage and almost appears reddish pink in video, but in reality, the highest brightness is a distinct and bold red. To be certain, the Corsair board is almost double the brightness that the Patriot board shows. Both keyboards, however, have 3 levels of brightness adjustment, or the lighting can be turned off. Now to briefly show the keyboard in gaming use with Final Fantasy XIV. The V770 has a solid keystroke response, although having extra macro functions on the left side takes time to get used to. The escape key also has a wide gap of at least a key between the end of the board and functions, which can be a significant adjustment if needed. Function keys are easy to reach, however I personally felt like I kept hitting tilde instead of 1, and 1 instead of 2 for various game functions for my hand spacing. Finally, here's a look at the included software adjustments. You can macro and record key commands, which is normal of these types of products, as well as disable any key or individually light any key, any color, to mix and match. Cool stuff. Thanks for checking out this unboxing and overview of the Patriot Viper V770 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more product overviews and reviews in the future. Thanks for watching.